Hi everybody, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Harbor Crossings. Today we're looking at 26 O'Brien Avenue. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home that arrived in Harbor Crossings in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey on January 11th. It was a Saturday delivery. So here you see the house as it was placed on the lot, and we have not done any of the work on the outside because it's been really frigid temperatures here in New Jersey in January 2025. But I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the house on the inside. I was able to take some photographs. So here you see the living room, and you'll see all the equipment that was left from the manufacturer for us to put up. So here you see the shower doors and the lighting that'll go above the island. And here's a view of the kitchen. It's got a beautiful island, white cabinetry, a 4-appliance package of stainless steel appliances. You've got your microwave and your refrigerator, your stove oven combination, and your refrigerator and dishwasher. Here's your farm sink with all the parts to it. Here's a close-up view of the oven and the dishwasher and the side-by-side refrigerator with the ice and water caddy in the door. This island is magnificent, and Redman Homes now makes these black pulls for the white cabinets that really stand out. We love it. Here's a view of the laundry room with the same cabinetry and the black pulls. And this is ready for your washer and dryer. Here is the master bedroom. And the house is vinyl flooring throughout. It's a very bright, cheerful house. Here you see the way that the house is transported with the doors protected with this plastic wrapping, and also the closet bypass doors are protected with the orange straps. Here is the first bathroom with the step-in shower stall with 2 seats. Again, the white cabinetry in the bathroom. Here is your second bedroom on the opposite side of the house. Again, the closet doors are protected and held back so that they don't rock while it's on the road being transported. But you've got a wire rack for your clothing, and here is your hall bathroom. So this is a smaller sink area, and then you've got your tub. It's a 1-piece fiberglass unit. Again, another view of the commode and the vanity. Redman Homes now has a energy efficient furnace. It's a totally different design, very quiet, by AirQuest. Here is your programmable thermostat. And this is what we call the data plate, and this describes how the house is built and all the appliances that are in it. This is found in the closet, and so is the whole house water shutoff valve. The water heater is also in the master bedroom, and this is a Reef water heater. And here is your floor plan that describes the house. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with an island. It's a beautiful house, and we're excited for you to take a look at it. So go to our website, myhomeinharborcrossings.com, and fill out the pre-qualifying questions. And that will start the intake process. We look forward to hearing from you. Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.